What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is Sunday and we are on our way to Stater Brothers right now to start our first batch of the day. Picked up a nice 41. We were down at Del Mar waiting for a Jimbo's order, but nothing came through. So we picked this one up, had to drive 12 miles. We're almost to the store right now to start the batch. This week has been extremely slow, you guys. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's actually been pretty difficult to make money this week. Not just for myself, but for a lot of other people. Basically, the people that I stay in contact with have all struggled this week to make good money. Really? Don't cut me off. I did have a couple good days this week, so I'm not too stressed about hitting my goals for this week. And with today being Sunday, I'm planning on making, a good amount of money, hopefully 400 or 500 today, as long as we can stay on the clock and stay busy. Okay, we found Stater Brothers. There were some days this week where I passed on several orders I should have done, so today I'm gonna try to not do that. So with today being Sunday, it's going to be busy. I'm just gonna try my best to not have long wait periods because that really has been killing me this past week. So we are getting parked right now and we're about to head inside to start our first batch of the day. I hope you guys are crushing it, and I hope this video gives you guys some inspiration to continue to crush it each and every day. So we're gonna jump inside and get this batch going. We just dropped that one off and we are on our way to charge up. We got that up to $43. It was a really easy batch and he lived super close to the store, so very easy drop off. But yeah, we're heading to a supercharger right now in Carlsbad because I'm on 13 miles, which means my battery is very much due for a charge up. And right now it's 9:15 a.m. so we have time to charge and then still get to Costco for the drop today. Honestly though, I would like a good batch to come in before the Costco drop because I would like to just keep the day moving, maybe get one while charging. And like I've talked about in past videos, it's easy to get sucked into a long waiting period at Costco. It's like you're there, you want something big, and you're not gonna leave unless something big comes to your screen. So it really wouldn't be a bad thing if another store gave me an order before the Costco drop. But like I said, we're gonna go plug in, charge up for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know when we get our next batch. Okay, so after charging, we went to Costco, didn't see anything good. I think I saw a total of 2 Costco batches, both of them were 30s. One was a 30 double, like 20 something items, and the other was a 31 single, but it was going like 15 miles. So I passed on both of those because, it's Sunday and we can be a little bit picky. And we just got to Ralph's, so we're about to head inside with this juicy little number that I'll show you guys on the screen. Definitely a solid order, especially with it being a single, 8 miles, but it should be a pretty easy drive. So we're gonna jump inside and run through this batch real quick. Alright, it didn't take us long. After we dropped the Ralph's off, we went to charge a little bit more back at the same charger. Picked up this nice 67 juicy order. She messaged me as soon as I took the order. It was pretty funny. It's just great to see repeat customers know exactly who you are before you even start shopping their order. It just means you gave great customer service. So we just got to Stater Brothers and we're going to start this right now and make it a quick one and try to get to the next one. Seems really busy today. Alright, we are back. It is about 1:30 right now. We are pulling into Encinitas Ralph's because I just picked up this 68 right here. It's San Marcos Ralph's, but I'm gonna shop it here in Encinitas because it doesn't have alcohol. And the store was like 5 minutes from where I was parked. It's another great batch. We are very pumped that we got it. It was about a 30 or 40 minute wait. I was seeing some very small 20s for a while, but as soon as this hit my screen, I snagged it as soon as I could. The shop should be pretty quick. and then the drive to her place should probably be about 18 to 20 minutes because I don't think I'm gonna be able to hit the highway, so it's all gonna be back roads. All right, we are parked. We're gonna head in and run through this, guys. Okay, that one put us at 226 by 230. It's actually not even 230. We got that batch done in just under an hour, so now we're making our way back to an area that has a lot of stores. So the day's been awesome, and I'll let you guys know as soon as we catch our next one. All right, we're over here at Costco because Costco called me. Picked up this juicy 69 single, so that's back to back 60s for the day. Waiting on spot currently, and then we're gonna grab our flatbed, head inside. This is a single 22 items. One thing I did want to mention, on my way to the store at a red light, I messaged the lady asking her if she wanted all plain bagels or variety because I noticed on the order she didn't leave any notes for the bagels. So this saved a lot of time. She messaged me. I haven't even started the shop and I know exactly what she wants. So just a little pro tip for you guys to save some time because I know sometimes customers are busy. Clearly that's why they're ordering, because they can't get to the store themselves. So that just speeds up the process a little bit. So we're gonna get parked, head inside, and get the shop done. So that Costco order went really well. It went up a few cents. We had one replacement. I did lose service for a solid 10 minutes because once I got out to like 2 miles from her pad, I lost complete service, as I always do out in that area of Rancho Santa Fe. But literally within a couple minutes of having service again, I got this 47 single right here for 7 items. We are about 3 minutes away from Gelson's right now. It is a little bit of a drive, but I don't really know who would pass up an order that's 7 items for like a 35 something tip. And the plus side is this is going to put me over $345 probably in about 40 minutes. So I should be over $345 by 5:30 p.m. today, which is honestly very solid. I was really hoping for a busy day like today, and we're getting blessed. And I'm just going to try to keep the clock moving, stay on the clock, and not hit that dry period like we talk about. Because once you get in that little waiting game and you're like passing on orders that you know you should take, that's when it gets bad. And all of a sudden 2.5, 3 hours go by. So we're about to pull up to Gelson's right now, run in, grab these items, and make our little trek up the coast. Super sweet lady, that was awesome. She even tossed me 5 cash. The order went up to 52 and we got it done in 48 minutes. So I'm not really sure where I am. I'm like in Oceanside or something. So now I have to find my way out of here, maybe hit back to the coast and see if I can get another batch pretty quick. It's about 5:20 right now, so we are sitting pretty just under $350 for the day. My next goal is going to be to get to 400 as fast as possible because you got to get to 400 before you get to 500, and I'd love to make $500 today. So really awesome lady, Deborah, really appreciate her and the cash. That was nice. And now we're on our way. I'm super grateful for all the great orders that I've done today and the fact that Instacart finally decided to put me in a good tier today. So I'll let you guys know as soon as we get our next batch. So we picked up this 54 right here from a hefty distance, 12 miles up in Carlsbad. This is a repeat customer and it does have alcohol in the order, so I had to come here to shop it. We're starting it now. Let's keep the needle moving up, guys. This is gonna put me over 400 in about 30, 40 minutes. So we just got that one dropped off. I'm almost back to Ralph's right now, waiting at the light. She is an awesome repeat. I've had her probably like 20 or 30 times. I've lost count. That batch put me over 410 on the day, and it's just about 6:30 right now. So we're pulling back into Ralph's to see if we can get one more quick one. Volume still seems pretty good, so we're gonna bank on another good order to come in soon. But I really wanna make sure I'm not gonna be too picky because it is 6:30 now, and before you know it, it's gonna be 7:30 and then dark. So I'm gonna try to get something here pretty quick, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I do. Okay, we just picked this up. Wow, look at that sunset right there. That's pretty. I'm gonna shop it here in Del Mar because there's no alcohol on the order. This will put us over $4.50. So I'm thinking most likely we'll definitely get to 5 as long as the volume doesn't die out. So I'm gonna run through this as fast as I can and drop this off. So we are pulling into the superchargers where we were earlier today when we started the day. We are over $4.50 on the day, which is incredible. It's about 7:30 right now. We're gonna plug in and see what they toss me next. Volume seems a little bit lower right now, but it's probably because it's 7:30. But that doesn't mean there's not gonna be 1 or 2 more solid orders coming out. So I'm gonna plug in right now and I'll let you guys know what I get next. All right, you guys, so we made it back home. It's about 10 o'clock. I didn't hit 500, so a little disappointed in myself for not running some small ones earlier. I was waiting for like a 40 to come in. We ran a 21 sprouts that I didn't film. I was just kind of beat from this day. But 482 is super solid. I'm gonna throw the numbers up on the screen. Thank you guys as always for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider it. And if you guys are a returning subscriber, I greatly appreciate you watching the content as always. So that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.